Hello guys, we are back with another video, and I think I played this game before on my channel. I think I played this game before on my channel. I was gonna say other channel, but today we're gonna be playing Bird again, or for the first time. Well, not the first time, but like first time playing it on like the YouTube channel. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and hit that notification bell and subscribe. Alright, for real. Oh my gosh, there's so much visits. Alright, let's get into it. I have to turn off block shift because I'll show you why. Let's see if there's chaos going on. Or is it just a normal boring game? What the heck is this? Why is everything blocked? Why is everything blocks? Everything's blocks. What the heck? Do you guys see this? Everything's made out of blocks. Where did the thing go? How do I even get, what? Okay. There's been a lot of mods, like, like, people that mod, you know? Or hack. They've been here. Just hacking. I don't know why they would do that, but they just would. Because they're just weird. And you know, we don't like weird people. Because they just upset us. No, I'm just kidding. Everyone's weird once in a while. Okay guys, if you guys play this game and if you don't know, most of you probably, what is this place? It's kind of weird. But anyways, let me continue. Most of you guys grab stuff to fly with, right? That didn't work at all. Well, I do it a little different. Can I grab this? No, okay. Hold on, let me show you how like most of you do it, I think. You guys grab something and just fly like that. Yeah. This is an easier way. You just, I think it only works on PC. I don't know. But you tilt your head down like this and you just jump. And keep your head down in the screen. And then yeah, you're flying basically. Yeah. Bro, they destroyed this map. I mean, let's join another. Okay guys, I joined another server and this one looks better. Oh, get off. Really? I hate it when people do that. They're so annoying. Yeah, this one is normal. I've been joining a lot of mods, like ones that got hacked. No! No, 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 no! 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 Okay, the bad bird! Bad bird, bad bird, 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 bad bird, bird. Excuse me. Come here, come here. Or whatever, you know what? Whatever. I don't care anymore. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yo, bro, why does everyone keep covering this thing up? It's so annoying. Can't get it out. Bro, that's not cool, man. That thing is so fun. And I never really knew how fun it really was until I tried it and I liked it. What should do? What to do in this game? What do we do? Why is that cake just having a blast? Do you see this? This cake is just floating by itself. Yo, cake, let me join you, please. Catch! What? This cake is dangerous! It killed me. I died 2 times. And look at it! Bruh! Okay, you know, it's a fishy bird. Oh, someone found this place. Yes. I know this way. Oh no, it's this cake. It's the worst. But it's bigger now. No, I'm running. This is my favorite color. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. It's kind of pink, but purple. Purple is my favorite color. If you ever seen my avatar. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Yeah. It's a bird. Ah! Okay. We gotta go to the green screen. I don't know. Let's make our... What's in here? Oh. Cheese. I'm wearing cheese on my head. What's in here right here? There's an egg. Green screen. Stick. Stick! Who wants to get stick by... stick. Who wants to get hit by a stick? Yeah. 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 Dang it. I was trying to throw a stick at the freaking fire. The flipping fire. Flip. Okay. Let's grab someone. You are my most... You look more like an orange. An orange. An orange. An orange. Did you guys just hear what I said? An orange. I said orange. Not a purple. Purple. Look at that guy. Yes. What is this? It's a tree. Okay. Let's get the trophies over there. What is happening over here? Is that ketchup? Oh my gosh. These birds are ketchup. They have ketchup coming out of them. They have blood coming out of them. That's what I mean by ketchup. Hey, no. I'm gonna try going in this cage. Whoa, no! What is this dude doing? What is that? Oh, it's a TV. I can go in it. I'm inside the cage. This bird is in prison for stealing. Get out of the cage. I said, thank you. Okay. Excuse me. Alright. Gotta go up. 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 No. Aha. It's so shiny. Shiny trophy. Shiny trophy. Shiny. Hey, why are you putting ketchup on me, bruh? Why are you putting... Oh, no! I did a freaking backflip, friend. I don't know, guys. I think that was a black flip. A backflip or a front flip. I don't know. Grab onto that birdie. Bird, bro. Knock it over. Okay. Good enough. Okay. But why is it not okay? There we go. Ooh, I almost fell in the fire. In the lava. 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 We need to run before somebody tries to steal us. And fast. Because we don't want them stealing this masterpiece from me. We love this. Ooh, what's over here? Oh! I'm trapped. Birdie has got himself or herself. Fishy birdie got You know what? It's gonna be a her, because why not? She got herself stuck, but luckily, frick. But luckily, she knows how to fly. Fly high up in the sky, bird. Come on, don't be scared, bro. Fly, you stupid. So as you guys can see, I'm a different bird because I couldn't get out. Okay, now a bird isn't just any ordinary bird. It's a bird that wags its tail when it runs. Bro, jump, jump, jump. This is a kind of pretty blue bird. It's a walkie-talkie. My childhood. Okay, stop doing that, bird. You know what's gonna make it more a little bit more. Oh, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Let's be childish. There we go. It's a child. And it actually looks like a child. It looks like a child. Fly, fly, fly. You know what? We're gonna mess around with this. Wait, I could have sworn they said 3. What happened to the 3 swords that were here? I honestly thought it was an update then. Frick! I was trying to fly. Fly high up in the skies. Fly up in the sky. I think I should stay away because look at my health. Yeah. Ooh, worm! 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 Where'd you go? Okay, you know what? This one is the worm. I was going for a small one, but I couldn't find a worm. And I dropped it. You mother... okay. It's alright. This shaky bird. Blueberry. Nom nom nom. Let's put them in lava. Let's put... No! This is my favorite color. I almost forgot. Oh, this box! We need to play with it. Why did the cake get bigger? I have to really... Ooh. What's this? Oh my gosh, there's another hat. There's one hat for me. So lovely. There is... What is this? Oh, this... Oh no! How did the cake turn rainbow? Oh, this cake is following me everywhere. I'm scared. Hello? Anyone here? Bro, I actually got scared. What is that? I can't grab that. It killed me. I didn't even mean to go near it. What is wrong with me? Party bird, I know where this bird belongs. He belongs on, where is it? It's not here, it's over there somewhere. It's over there. We gotta keep going forward. There, no. No. Do we have to find it, bruh? Ah, there it is. Party, poop. Oh! It's a glowing egg. Hold on. I need to take this to lava. Lava. Lava, I'm sure you'll love me for this. There we go. I sacrificed myself. The tired bird. Me in school. Did you guys see that little glitch right there? I was doing this, and then I was running. That was so funny. Okay. I think I'm gonna do one more last thing and end the video, which will be that's not it. I'm going to be, hold on, where is that one dude live? Where is that one dude live? Aha, he lives somewhere over here. No, does he live over there somewhere, or does someone move it? Darn it, where is he? He's over here somewhere, I know he is. He lives over here somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna try throwing a bomb over there. If I can find one. There's a bomb right in here, but I don't know how to get it without jumping. No. No. I hope you enjoyed, guys.